So, hello English learners. Hope you all are fine and doing great and amazing things in your life. So, today we are going to discuss about the routine of English learning, how you are going to involve yourself in English speaking or learning English, or basically we are talking about the immerse yourself in English. So, what are the activities and what are the methods? Through this, you are going to immerse yourself. And what is a routine? So one thing which I'm going to talk first, like in this video we are going to talk about the reading activities, how we are going to do reading, and listening activities, how we are going to do listening activities, and writing, how we are going to do writing. So these are the some important skills or some important things they are going to boost our English speaking and fluency. So the first thing which we can talk about the some myth like about habit. So we all know whatever we are because of our habit. Like if I am recording myself, this is my habit to record myself every day. Yes, this is my habit to record. Just wake up in the morning and just do your work. After that you have to record yourself, your videos. This is my habit. So how we are going to form a good habit and how we are going to remove our bad ones. So this is very important. Before learning the English, if you are habitual to just wake up in the not in the morning, so how you are going to break your bad habits and how you are going to form good habits. So most of the time you listen like 21 days need to form good habit. But I am going to say this is a myth. Yes, that's not good. That's not good. We can't form good habit within 21 days. You're going to skip after 21 days. So how much days we need to form good habits? So we need 61 days. Yes. This is a myth, like most the speakers or most the people, they are saying 21 days. I just personally, I just started doing something, but after 21 day or after 1 month, I quit. So why it's happening like this? So if we are going to, so today I'm just going to share a report, like how long does it take for a new behavior to become automatic. So there is a report according to a 2009 study published in a European Journal of Social Psychology. It takes 18 to 254 days for a person to form a new habit. It takes 18 to 254 to just become a habit. And the study also conducted that on average it takes 66 days for a new behavior to become automatic. 66 days. So it ultimately depends on the habit in question. So this was a report which published, and how the myth of 21 days took off. How people are saying like 21 days. So it asks how long it takes on to form a habit. How many people will respond 21 days. So why they are responding 21 days? He wrote these and many other commonly observed phenomenon tend to show that it requires a minimum of about 21 days for an old mental image to dissolve and a new one to check. So this is a myth which is not good, which is not based, and you need to give 66 days to just form a good habit. Yes. So this is the first thing why we are talking about it. Because if you are going to form a good habit, then you are going to immerse yourself. Then we are going to talk about the read, how you are going to read. If you are not going to develop a habit, so how you are going to able to read? So the first thing which is reading, like most of the time we are talking about the reading. So read daily. Read daily on which time we are going to read? In the morning. It's best time to read in the morning if you are going to get time. So suppose if I get time to read in the morning, I am going to read in the morning. Because if you are going to skip in the morning to read, you are not going to give time in the afternoon or evening, because you have to work. So read daily, follow habit to learn English, develop habit. It's will easier to learn 80% of English, because if you are going to read So what you are going to read, on which subject you are interested in, because we are going to read, it's going to increase our knowledge also. It's going, you are going to be habitual with reading, and it's also going to increase your knowledge, and you are going to improve your English speaking. So there are lots of benefits you are going to read, going to get by reading only. So if you are going to develop a reading habit, it's going to increase your English by 80%. And reading 20 pages only daily for 45 minutes. But most of the time I read 20 minutes or 30 minutes, but we have to give at least 30 minutes for reading daily. If you're not going to read any books, you can just go and read journals or any e-books or any websites blogs you can also read. So 30-minute daily reading, don't go below it. It's necessary to just give 30 minutes for reading, and according to your subject. We are not going to just discuss on which subject you are going to read. Just you can give time to just read for 30 minutes on 30 minutes, not below it. You can give 45 or 1 hour, but 30 minutes is just the don't go below it. Or some time for listening, or during the reading you can also listen. There is a podcast, it's Spotify, you can get lots of books there. So you have to just put the earphone, and you can just listen the books while reading. So this is the first thing, which is reading. We have to read, we have to give time of reading. The second thing, which is listening, daily 30 minutes. So yes, listening, because if we are going to listen, we are going to get or capture the thing, like what they are going to talk. If you are going to listen listen news, you are going to give the overview, you are going to take or get the overview of the market, how the stock market is crashing, how Donald Trump is just put the tariff on India and on all the countries, and how the stock market is behavior. So if we are going to listen, we are going to understand all these things. So if yes, we can also listen the debates, because it's the debate. If you are going to listen debate on any topic, so we are going to just understand this topic in a better perspective. Because if suppose there is a news anchor, there is any minister or any person is just, they are talking about the one nation one election. So you know about the one nation one election, but if you are going to talk, if you are going to listen the debate on this topic, you are going to just capture the two minds information. Yes, the two person, they are just good in their field, and they are delivering the speech. They are giving. One person is giving, the second person is giving his answers. If you are going to listen, you are going to understand the whole thing, how they are debating, how they are talking. So you have your opinion to talk about it, to just describe. After listening 5 minutes or 10 minutes, you have your own opinion to share. So if you are going to listen to debates, and it may be political debate, it may be religious debate, it may be climate change debate, it may be on democracy debate, any debate, you can just listen. After going to listen, you have to just practice. Yes, after listening, if you are going to listen, you are going to just enhance your knowledge, you are going to increase your knowledge, then you are going to be able to speak on that particular topic. Yes, if you are going to listen 15 minutes or 20 minutes or 30 minutes, after that you have your opinion, you have the content, you have the knowledge to speak about it. So don't search or don't give any excuses like with whom should I practice English speaking. You have to just speak by yourself. You have to speak yourself. You can just record in a screen recorder or in your recorder. Just speak, just give your opinion. So it's a great platform. It's a great thing to just give time to yourself and just speak with yourself. And it may be any kind of debate. If you're going to listen, you have the knowledge to speak about it. You're not going to say like, I don't have the knowledge how I can speak. You can speak, because you are going to listen, then you are able to speak. You have the opinion of two people, and you're also. So this was the second thing, reading, then listening. and you can listen during reading. So just we can talk about the writing. So writing, like I'm not going to say to do journal, but you can practice writing on an email and text message, because most of the time you are talking about with friends, family, and with someone on a text. So you can just practice with fast writing. Yes, because most of the time we are typing, so on a mobile phone, so we can just start fast typing. Yes, you can just text to yourself like yes, typing, fast typing, so it's going to increase your writing skills. Yes, so speaking is very important, and listening is also very important. So listening one practice you can also do in the evening before going to the bed. You can just listen. I listen and news channels every day. Yes, because if you are going to listen any news channels, there are lots of English news channels like India Today, NDTV, and Republic, World, Anab Goswami. So you can listen, but India Today and NDTV I usually listen. But if you want to listen any global channel, you can just listen BBC and CNN, ABC, and Al Jazeera. All these channels are there. So yes, I talk about these things, and I hope you got some valuable information in this video. So if you are going to follow these things, you are going to improve your English speaking. So because I am also trying to give my best, I also develop a habit to just learn and speak on a daily basis. So I hope you got some valuable information in this video. So keep learning, keep growing, and be 1% better in your life. So thanks for today. We will meet in another video.